Last week, you were introduced to seating systems. Based on the Chapter 4 in Essentials of Assistive Technologies and the learning strategies that I provided last week, you should have a better understanding of body positions, body segments, and the impact of seating systems. Seating systems are often the foundation of an individual's ability to perform an activity. Therefore, we will have our first technology evaluation discussion, which will focus on seating systems. And of course, pay no attention to the dog in the background. This week, we will focus on the user inputs described in Chapter 5. We revisit the human control interface introduced in Chapter 2. Essentially, we will investigate the numerous ways an individual can control a device, from a joystick to a single switch. Once again, I've provided you with some tips for learning the material in the module overview. The easiest way to learn the material is to consider how you access devices throughout the day. Example devices include computers, smartphones, tablets, motor vehicles, or smart home technology. How do you access a device? Is it with your hands, your feet, your voice, or another anatomical control site? What is the control interface? Is it a keyboard, a mouse, a touch screen, a steering wheel, or a gas pedal? If you had to use a different anatomical control site, what would you use? And what impact would it have on the selection of a control interface? As you go throughout your day, keep asking these questions. It will help you better appreciate breaking down the user input into the individual components of the human control interface and guide you as you develop assistive technology recommendations. Okay, it was a great weekend for the Buckeyes as they thoroughly trounced the Hoosiers. But it was a rough weekend for my other college football teams, so I'm going to shift gears a little. I'm going to the University of Pittsburgh this week to give a presentation on assistive technology, the past, present, and future. I've been thinking a lot about the future. What does it look like in terms of technologies, services, and practices? Do lines between assistive technology and consumer technology become blurred? As we continue through this course, I'd like for you to reflect on the impact of innovation and emerging technologies on individuals with disabilities. It is a technology that we haven't even discovered yet that will have the greatest impact on assistive technology. This technology may be so revolutionary that it may take us to the point that we don't even need assistive technology anymore. Wouldn't that be cool? I hope you enjoy module number 5. And once again, reach out to me if you have any questions.